Question number 2. Migrating data to Azure Storage. Create storage account capable of storing virtual disk files in low access cost and low replication cost. Let's look at the question now. You plan to migrate a large amount of corporate data to Azure Storage and to backup files stored on old hardware to Azure Storage. You need to create a storage account in the resource group. Remember, the storage account and resource group names are given. The solution must meet the following requirements. The storage account must be able to host the virtual disk files for Azure virtual machines. The cost of accessing the files must be minimized. Replication costs must be minimized. What should you do from the Azure portal? We have already learned about creating storage account and resource group. With previous labs, if needed, you can view it. Same steps here, but remember to name it correctly, and also you would need to add some modifications on certain drop-down menus to fulfill the requirements of the questions. Trust me, these steps are as easy as before. View the next slide to find out where these changes must be made. So, you can view the Create Storage Account page, right? So, let me point out which changes you are going to make. For the requirement 1, in the performance bar, you can select Premium. And then for requirement 2, in the account kind, you can select Storage General Purpose version 2, which is most commonly used. And then requirement 3 is Replication. Locally redundant storage, which is LRS, you need to select it for the replication. And remember, it's not RAGRS, which is read access geo-redundant storage. Some DOMs have shown RAGRS, but actually in this question, you need to select locally redundant storage. In the next slide, you can practice the question you have learned now. Guess the appropriate models which should be chosen for these specific items. So already we have learned this lab. So here what you are going to do is you are going to follow the same steps until you deploy the storage account and wait till it has been deployed. That's it for this lab. Nothing more.